U.S. Custom House. Beautiful architecture. You can see those pillars up there. The design on those, really, really nice. We were just about to catch the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island cruise, and we were just a little bit too late. They stopped selling tickets at 4:45, so if you are coming down here, just remember that. We just happened to be down here at the financial district, and we decided to come on over, and we were going to do this as well. But we're just going to come back, so I'll make sure I get some more video of that. As you can see, the Statue of Liberty is straight ahead in front of me there. In the distance, so we're gonna come back on another day and we'll get this done, and we'll have a great time at that point. Don't forget to like and subscribe.